Hi everyone, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a gorgeous matcha set. I'm gonna show you everything and show you some up close looks, and we're gonna make a matcha together. So of course you get the matcha bowl. I had warm water in here and it warms up your bowl. And then also I had my matcha whisk soaking in here. This matcha whisk is great. It is really well made and the bamboo is silky soft. The same goes for your bamboo spoon. And then you get these great accessories. You get the little holder for your whisk once you were finished, so it keeps those bristles perfect. And you get the cutest little cat holder for your spoon. And then for technicality purposes, you get a measuring spoon. And then we get this sifter so that we can sift our matcha. And then to keep everything looking beautiful, look at this gorgeous towel / placemat. And it's nice on the back. All right, so if you've never made matcha, don't be intimidated. I was very intimidated at first. It comes with a super easy to follow guide. So this is it, step by step, so easy to follow. So step one is we are going to scoop the matcha powder into the sifter, and then I'm going to help this get through. And then I'm going to pour the correct amount of water in. And then this is the best part. You get your whisk, and for about 30 seconds, I am going to make the letter W in my water and mix this up. While I'm stirring, let's take a close-up look. Look at this absolutely gorgeous box. Even the instructions are really pretty and super easy to follow. This set is so pretty. I love the cherry blossom theme and the cat. It's all so cute and such high quality. Every piece is a small piece of art, and it just adds to the experience. It's just such a charming set. When I'm finished, tap my whisk to get off the water and put that in my little holder. And then I have 2 glasses to pour. And there you have it, a perfect matcha. So if you are looking for a gift for yourself or a matcha lover in your life, this is one of the nicest sets that I have seen. You get the really nice placemat towel, the cute little cat spoon holder, of course your bowl for your matcha, the very high quality whisk, and the holder for your whisk, plus the measuring spoon and the sifter. Absolutely gorgeous, all in a beautiful gift box. You are going to love this, everyone.